SSVK Health and Education and Clinic and Hospital presents you course of Management of Medical Emergencies in Dental Practice. Learn and gain advanced knowledge of medical emergencies. Medical emergencies can occur to anyone anytime anywhere, whether it is an institution or private practice. The course contains module of 8 weeks, in which we discuss about the syncope management of epilepsy to basic life support. The faculties of this course are well-experienced maxillofacial surgeons. They will offer you the explanation about various emergencies that can happen in your practice as well as clinical scenario where you will know how to manage that situation. The course layout are: Week 1, vasovagal syncope, postural hypotension, hyperventilation. Week 2, asthma status asthmaticus. Week 3, chest pain of cardiac origin, myocardial infarction, angina pectoris. Week 4, acute adrenal insufficiency, diabetic mellitus, thyroid gland dysfunction. Week 5, allergies, hypersensitivity reactions. Week 6, epilepsy status epilepticus. Week 7, chronic kidney disease, hepatic dysfunction. Week 8, basic life support. Who can learn this course? Management of Medical Emergencies in Dental Practices. Undergraduate students, postgraduate trainees in all specialty and dental practitioners. This course will be valuable for any dental practitioner since management of medical emergencies is a vital skill. For offline registration, contact us at the mentioned address, venue below. This course is also available online. For online registration, contact us on the given number, or else you can email us on the given email id below. If you liked our video, press the like button, and for more videos do not forget to subscribe our channel.